I am moving to LA. Oh God. Woo! 2,200 miles to go. Las Vegas. Hoover Dam. What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently golden day? Well, I am moving to LA. Yes, more on that as we drive. But for now, there's a huge problem because today I was supposed to leave at 6 a.m. in the morning, but my phone is not working, so I don't have any GPS. Yesterday, while I was packing and all that, my phone began showing that it's just literally just showing searching forever and ever. Like it's, oh my gosh. And so right now, I am stuck in Kentucky and I do not have any way to go. Luckily for me though, C-Kane, they pretty much reached out to me and they gave me a navigation system which has GPS. And I'm trying to see if I can download all the maps that are required for all the destinations, because I'm supposed to drive to Denver, I'm supposed to drive through Utah and all that. So I'm trying to download all the maps for each different state. Finally, after waiting for hours, oh my gosh, all the countries, all the states have downloaded. So now let's see if we can get this to work and get on the way, because it's so late and I have to be there pretty much in about a day or so. So yeah. Let me just show you guys exactly what my trunk looks like, because I pretty much packed a lot. 2,200 miles to go. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Why didn't I just fly? This is the most old school thing I've ever done in my entire life. So what I'm doing is, I have two screens over here. Oh, come on. Okay. So the screen on my phone shows me, like, I downloaded all the information on both devices. So anytime I try to load the maps on this device and try to put directions in, it always crashes. And so what I've done is I'm just pretty much looking at the map right now on the thing, and it shows me where I am, but it doesn't show me where to go. But my phone shows me where to go, but it doesn't show me how to get there, if that makes sense. So it doesn't show me like turn by turn directions. And so I read from the maps on my phone, look at the maps where I am on the car's navigation system, and then I plot a course, and I also calculate miles as well. I know it's kind of confusing, but this is the only way I have right now. This is so awesome. Oh my gosh, 32 hours left. I've been in this car for like almost an hour, and I can't even imagine being here for like the next 32 hours. Oh. Getting gas in the winter is the worst thing ever. Oh, it's so cold. My hands are completely frozen. Let's do this. Onward. It's so cold. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I faded into the darkness so you can't see me anymore, but I promise I'm there. I've been driving for, I don't know, let's see, for about 12 hours now. And yeah, I still have like about a day left to go. This stretch of road is 540 miles long, so I'm literally gonna be on this same stretch of road. It is as cold as crap, it's so cold. But these windmills look so cool, and I'm gonna get a drone shot of them. It is so cold. It's like 11 degrees, and outside it's even colder because it's so windy. But I'm gonna do this for you guys, so let's do this. I'm literally freezing to death right now. Oh, my hand hurts so bad. Oh, I've never been this cold before. That was a very stupid idea, but I think the shots are worth it. Oh! Okay, so the craziest thing just happened. Let me show you guys what I just saw. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I don't know where we are right now. Look at that. Look at that. A real air. Oh my gosh. What is it doing here? Am I even supposed to be here? I'm hearing a sound coming from the airplane. I don't know if it's haunted. Are you guys hearing that? I'm gonna touch the tip. Oh, please don't shoot me. Oh God. Woo! That is amazing. When I was younger, I always wanted to be a pilot. And this is actually making me want to even do it even more now. My mom was kind of scared that I was gonna crash, but it's fine. I'm in Denver right now, and it is like almost 70 degrees. I don't understand this, but I'm going to eat at Popeyes, so.
20 minutes later.
That was actually the first technically real food that I've had in like 2 days. I've just been eating, just drinking a lot of coffee and just be eating donuts the entire time. So thank you so much, Popeyes. Houston, we have a problem. So there's supposed to be a snowstorm tonight, and I am pretty much might be in the middle of the whole thing. It's supposed to happen tonight, and there's advisories to put like chains on. 483 miles left. I don't know if we're gonna hit Utah before then. I think so. After then, when we leave this place. So this is just oh my God. Oh, it's so pretty in Colorado. Woo, woo. Tunnel. Guys, I just stumbled upon the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my life. I don't care if it was snow, just look at this. Get ready, are you guys ready? In fact, I'm just gonna show you guys in my drone because that's the only way you can actually truly appreciate this. It's began snowing and I am in deep trouble. Rear-wheel drive car. And now it's raining. Perfect. Well, I've seen all the weathers in one day. What in the world? And now there's stopped traffic ahead. Left lane is closed. I don't know if there's an accident or something. And there's snow all over the road. This is so scary. Oh my gosh. We're moving at like 2 miles per hour in a snowstorm in the middle of the mountains. Sit rep. I just got to Utah. And on this stretch of road, it's about almost 300 miles long. And you can legally do 80 miles per hour. What in the world? That's amazing. The snow is gone. Like once I crossed the, what's it called? The state border. After a while, the snow started reducing and now it's gone completely. Like look at that golden piece of road. And so now I'm doing 70 because I'm still scared there's gonna be ice on the road or something. So just you can never be too safe. So finally found fuel, gas. Oh my gosh! Let's see all the damage this stupid snow did. Yep, the front of my whatever is covered in snow. That is just amazing. There's literally dirt like everywhere. It is 7 a.m. now. I think like Camelsville time. I had to stop at this sketchy rest area to pretty much get a little bit of a nap because I was just too tired. I really wanted to see Utah and just see the mountains and see how golden everything was. So I'm waiting for the sun to rise. Good morning, buttercups. Oh, I just gave you guys another golden drone shot. I'm driving in the clouds. What in the world? Finally in Arizona. Woo! I don't know how I did that. But oh my goodness, look at all the mountains here. Like, what? Oh, we just got to somewhere I've always wanted to visit since I was like born. Las Vegas. And now we're on our way to Hoover Dam. This view is just crazy. Oh, look at that. There's like a tunnel thingy there and helicopter rides. So they're offering helicopter rides, but it's like $35, so I'm not sure I could do that.
Hast mich angezogen, ausgezogen, großgezogen. Und wir sind umgezogen, ich hab dich angelogen.
Oh my, this is so sketchy. Oh my gosh. And we are here, parked over there. Now let's head up. I have no idea where we're going right now, but...
Ich nehme keine Drogen und in der Schule war ich auch.
This is gonna sound extremely silly, but imagine someone like just literally sliding down from here. It'll be a very swift death.
Du hast dich oft gefragt, was mich zerreißt. Ich wollte nicht, dass du's.
We all know, yes, there's Hoover Dam, but has anyone ever showed you the restrooms? These are they. So, okay, I think it's time to head back. It's starting to get a little bit dark. But this has been an amazing day. Oh my gosh. And there's just this nice 458 that's sitting here. Oh, I love the spec.
The next day.
What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing today? So today is a fresh day with new problems. Now my phone won't turn on like at all. It turned off by itself in the middle of the night and now it won't come on even at all. So I'm in even more trouble now because I can't even read messages and do anything. So, but it'll be fine hopefully, and it's about to rain as well. So this is just awesome.
Du warst allein zu Hause, hast mich vermisst und dich gefragt, was du noch für mich.
Oh, I hate LA traffic, even though I've just been here for like 1 hour or so.
Dich gefragt, was du noch für mich bist. Hause, bist immer nur.
Eventually.
What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this golden day? Well, I'm in my room. And I still do not believe that like I'm in this room. Look at this. That is literally the Hollywood sign. Hold on, let me zoom in so you guys can see. Look. And I can literally see it from my room. Like, what in the world? This is so crazy. Like, just look at this view. Then from here again. Same thing. Oh my goodness, it's just so surreal, and I pray that I never forget like what a blessing this is, just to be here and studying here and living here, like literally, like it's so good. What's up, buttercups? Okay, so this is a few days later because I've not been able to film for a while because we've been so busy with school and everything. Well, this is my golden new friend, Joel. Say hi.
Hey.
But the car is dirty now, so we just want to go give it a wash because it is just it's disgusting. And we have no idea where we're going. So you're probably going to be the navigation guy.
Got it.
Oh, and it smells so bad too. I spilled coffee on like under the whole seat, and so yeah. So how does it feel like to be out here? Have you been to LA before?
No. No.
So how does it feel compared to like Indiana?
Better. It feels a lot better. Literally feels better outside.
Oh my goodness, that's awesome. Oh yeah, and in case I'm not sure I mentioned this before to you guys, but the reason why I'm here is because I'm here for school, pretty much. And so I am a senior, and I'm a double major in computer information systems and film. And so, as you know, LA is it's like the lead film industry, blah blah blah. And so our school has like a program that pretty much allows us to come to LA for a semester, get an internship, blah blah blah. I'm sure you guys don't want to hear that, but the thing you want to hear is another thing that I love about LA is just the car scene or the car culture. So we're very excited because I think we might be going to a car show this weekend. So in a few days we'll be going, and yeah, let's just see how it is. Also, I will want to meet some of you guys as well because I know some of you guys live in in LA. So if you live in LA and you just want to hang out or you just want to show me around and yeah, show me some car things that go on here, just let me know and write in the comment section. And that's pretty much it. Oh my
Warst allein zu Haus, hast mich vermisst und dich gefragt, was du noch für mich bist. Und dich gefragt, was du noch für mich bist.
This car wash did not literally do anything.
And it was $10 for it.
Yeah, that car wash did not literally do anything. I still had to do most of the work myself, but still, it's fine. Yep. Thank you guys so much for watching this golden video. I'm not sure I can see me because I think I faded to the darkness. But I will see you guys later. Bye.
Du bist zu Hause für immer ohne mich.